Warning: the following broadcast was given at the request of the Polish government. The riots and protests are raging in the downtown Warsaw, with many damage and injuries having occurred. The reason cause behind the riots and protests are that they want a revolutionary war to make this country into an unknown empire. All residents are advised to seek shelter. It is becoming an empire, and it is now attacking Belarus, Lithuania, Ukraine, Czechia, and Slovakia. This is really a life-threatening situation, and it should not be ignored. There are now Polish army outside, and it's attacking everywhere. Let's get out of here. Okay, we'll get out of here.